Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome you all back to my next tutorial on Android framework components. And by the way, this is Dimple here. So in today's session, I'll be showing you all the path in Android source code which contains the code for all the system applications. So here I'm showing my emulator. We have multiple system apps, right? So where all these system apps will be residing in our Android source code. I'll be showing you all that. So let me go to Android Xref. So I'll go to Oreo. Here we have to go to packages. So system apps, right? It will be there inside packages. Inside packages, we have to go to apps. Packages, apps. So here is all our system apps. You can see all our system applications, settings, phone, music, NFC, all these apps we can see, dialer, gallery, camera, contacts, all these apps. I'll take an example of settings application. So if we launch settings app, we can see different sub fragments, right? Sub settings, right? Network connected, all these. So here we have to go to settings app if we want to know more details. So inside settings, we can see the make file, the manifest file, the resource folder and the source folder. These four are important ones. So if you want to know the layout, if you want to change any layout, color or any other things related to the layout design, you can go inside the resource folder. If you want to know the code, the Java code of that, you can go to source folder. So I'll go to source, inside that COM, Android, settings, and you can see all the different subsettings present here: airplane mode, Bluetooth, all these subsettings you can see. If I go to network and internet, we can see, right, different Wi-Fi, airplane mode, all these. And if I go back, I can see Bluetooth, USB, all this. So the same settings, if we go inside each folder, we can see. So this is the folder. The main thing I wanted to tell is packages, apps. This is the folder where most of your system applications will be present. So whichever we are interested in, we can further go inside, and inside that folder again there will be many Java files related to each functionality, and we can just explore them by going through each one of them. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you all where the source code for all the system apps will be present. So most of the system applications will be present in this packages apps folder in your Android build tree. I hope this was interesting and helpful information for everyone. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next tutorial. Until then, take care. Bye.